Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Snapfresh Cordless Reciprocating Saw. A big shout out to Snapfresh. They did send me this reciprocating saw for me to test out for you guys to see how it works. So if it doesn't work, we're gonna go ahead and try this out, see if it works. So big shout out to them. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this. I know we didn't buy this one, but you know, so we can buy similar tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, we have the box here. So it says Snapfresh Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Let's see if we got a model number BBT. It says JOL01. And then we have some specifications here. It says model number, what we just mentioned, rated voltage 20, no load speed 0 to 3000 per minute. It says saw stroke 22 millimeters, max capacity of wood 100 millimeters, max saw capacity of metal 10 millimeters, battery type lithium ion. It says charger input 100 to 120 volts, 60 hertz, 65 watts. Alright, well, when you open it, you get the nice green reciprocating saw. I really like this color. I think this color makes it stands out. So right off the box here, we got a reciprocating saw. Looks pretty well built. You got some rubber pieces here. Rubber. Got a nice got a lock, I guess. Yeah, you got a lock here for the trick. So you have to press this either one way or another, so you can press the trigger. You got another rubber piece here. Nice rubber piece, maybe a resting piece. Yep, it's exactly what that is. It's a resting piece. It does rest on this rubber part. You got all this is rubber. It does rest on these, should rest on these. Let me see this side here. So on this side, you got a BBT GOL01 cordless reciprocating saw, made in China. Then you got a tool here. You know what, guys, the shoe is adjustable. I'm just looking at the bottom of this tool. I don't know if you guys could see it. I'm with myself, but you guys see the indentation there. That's a really convenient thing to have, so you can conserve pretty much. You loosen this up a little bit and then you can slide it back and forth. That's one plus about this reciprocating saw, is that it does have an adjustable shoe, so you can move the blade back and forth. What that allows you is to use the same blade in a different part of the blade. So that's one plus about this that I could see from just unboxing it. Basically another plus. Another plus is this, it does have, it's spring activated, so if you want to put a blade in here, it is a toolless blade change, by the way. So what you do is just take this, slide it forward or slide it this way, and then just slide your blade in, basically. And like I said, the shoe, it is adjustable. With that wrench, you can take this apart and basically slide it back or slide it forward. That's, like I said, one plus, because you're able to use the blade in a different place. In the box, we get another box. Alright. Nothing else in the box. So right off the bat, we do get a battery. Pretty much your standard battery, looks like it. It's a it's a 2 amp hour battery, 20 volts. You do got a button here, just pretty much like your standard batteries, tool battery. You do got a fuel gauge. It's hard to see, but you press it down, and that's your fuel gauge. So green means it's almost full, or full. Pretty much you got your standard positive, DC plus, ID, and then negative there. For that, And then for the charger, which we're gonna put this on the charger because we want to top it off before we use it. So you got a nice charger here. You got a red and a green light. I couldn't tell you exactly what that means, but I can tell you that it does let you know what it says right here. You got some more information about the charger. You got a BBTYFT 20 volt charger. It says input 100 to 120 volts, 60 hertz, 65 watt output. It says charging time 2 amp hour battery in 1 hour, charging time 4 amp hour battery in 2 hours. It gives you the measurements here, 1.7 inches, so you can hang this pretty much anywhere in your shop. Put it in there, it pops in, and just turn it on, see what this sounds like. That got a nice light. Nice. So you got a nice LED light. That's one plus about this. Another plus about this one. That's nice. It's really nice. Alright, let's see what else comes in the box. Alright, we got some instructions here, and then we got some blades. Alright, let's put the instructions aside. Obviously you want to read those because you want to make sure you're doing everything correct. We got, let's see, we got a pruning blade. A pruning blade, it says 5 teeth per inch, 5 TPI, HCS. So I would think this is a wood pruning blade. Does have a little branch there. Snapfresh. Yeah, I don't know where they got their name, but it's interesting how they got their name. Looking at their name, you're thinking, you know what, this is like a something that smells really good or something like that. So this is a pruning blade. We'll set this right here. This is a wood blade. So a little finer tooth, as you guys see there. You got 6 TPI, so 6 tooth per inch. A little finer, so this is a wood, and you do have a block of wood on that part. And then this one is metal, so you got a metal there, a picture there. It says 18 TPI bimetal. This is a really nice blade. Then what else we got here? And then this is, you got another wood blade. It says 10 TPI. So this is a wood blade, but it has finer tooth, so it'll make cleaner cuts. If you want to make a cleaner cut, it's gonna show obviously. And then this is metal, so it's 14 tooth per inch, 14 TPI. It says bimetal, so it's a bimetal, another bimetal blade there. So alright, let's take this outside and test it out. I'm going to be using a metal blade. So the 18 TPI metal blade. Pretty secured in there, so like I said, just twist this and locks in there. Here we got a square tube here, metal tube, a little thicker gauge, something a little heavier duty. Very impressed, very clean cut. As you guys see there, we still got 3 bars. So full battery still. Alright, we got an old piece of wood. It's a 4x4. 4 this way, 4 that way. We're going to be using the 6 TPI. And then wood, you do have a wood block on the blade by Snapfresh. Pretty secured. Alright, we're gonna make a few cuts. We're gonna cut one right here, then we're gonna cut a full cut right here. Bars. So I do have to say this saw is perfect for DIY. I would definitely recommend this saw, especially because it's very inexpensive. It already comes with the battery charger, and then you can buy other tools. I'm pretty sure you can buy this battery separate, so you can have more batteries. It's a great saw for the DIY if you want to make a few cuts, if you want to prune your tree or some branches of the tree. This is great. This is actually heavier duty than what you're going to be doing at home. Most of the time you're going to be cutting 2x4s, and then this is pretty heavy duty here. So this is pretty tough for this reciprocating saw, which is, it did great. And then this is going to be your normal cuts if you're doing some plumbing or something like that. So this is definitely. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Like I said, definitely a great DIY saw. Definitely recommend it. Thank you guys for watching.